Hey guys, fun of the gamer and welcome to Terraria. I didn't play this game for a long time. I think it was in summer. So I think and I didn't do a video for a long time. I think I will do it. Whatever. I didn't do the a video for a long time because in the summer I was sick for 3 weeks, and after that I didn't find the time for playing that. So let's do it. I will do a new world, normal D. Oops. Google Baka world. I'm gonna pause this and oh no, I'm gonna pause this. Boring. Okay. The backup or normal? Okay. Who the heck are you? Joe? So, hi there, Joe. Are you going to be my friend? Go away. Screw you. Oh, okay. Hey, funny Baka gamer. What? I said what? Screw you. Cut in my wood. Cut in the wood downtown. Go connect a Joe. Are you thinking of slime and potions? Are you going to marry a slime? Do something, Joe. Get a life. Eh, I just wanna ask something. Why in every survival game we have to start with the wood? Like in Minecraft, in the forests, in Terraria, like the other survival games online. I hate the online survival games. They are trolling me the whole time, and I hate someone troll me. When someone troll me, I start screaming and screaming and screaming and screaming. Not screaming and crying. I'm screaming and swearing, and I don't like to swear. Hey there, bunny. Wanna die? Okay. Bye, bunny. Oh, slimes. Uh. Let's take this. Ooh, chests. Oh, this is the desert, I think. Let's take this. Whoa. and arrows. Well, again, glow stick for the recall potion and the oh, my voice is gone. Oh my god. Mushroom. Ooh! God damn it, slime! I hate you. Bomb! Oh my god, I love bombs. I was gonna say I love. Okay, don't mind. Oh, did I? Oh, shiny boy. Oh, I remember this world. I don't wanna go down. And you don't wanna go down. You just wanna stay in here. And you don't want to do anything wrong. Okay. That take. Oh, okay. Joe, what are you doing in here? Yeah, I wanna date. Joe, a slime coming for you. Oh, where is it? There. Slime, will you marry me? Whatever. Ooh, I'm so lucky today. Shuriken, time bar, recall potion. Nothing in there, so let's just go. I don't think I'm going to. Okay. I need your love. I need you. Oh. 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 Whoa. Okay. Alright. I think this in the. I'm gonna check this thing up. Oh, lead or. I think I'm going to end this episode here. I don't want to do any more long episodes. I hate doing long episodes because when upload a video, they take a long time. What you gonna do? What you gonna do when Funny Bucker hit you with a sword under the water and he's going to die now because he's out of oxygen? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do when they can't find you? Bad boy, bad boy. What you gonna do? What you gonna do when they can't find you? Oh, 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 wow, wow, woof, woof. Poor dogs. Oh, hell no. So I'm going to end this episode here. Please like, subscribe, and bye.